YouTube. It's your girl Joey Fulani. I'm coming with this quick haiku inspired nail tutorial. As you can see, I have the ECBASKET nails. You can get them from Amazon for about $7.99. Here I'm showing you that the nails are numbered. I'm starting off with 8. Just want to basically size my fingers for you all. Please don't pay attention to my cuticles. They look bad. I am very domestic with my hands and fur, so it's a lot of shit I be doing up in here. Feel me? So now what I'm doing is I'm showing y'all which one I'm putting on my finger, and that's number 8. I have really small nail beds and little hands, so I'm starting off with that. Next, I'm gonna be filing my nails, and I do this even beforehand. Like, I just get my nails. I love press-ons. I will file the top of my nail just so that the glue could stick better. I use Kiss glue. I use it all the time regularly, and I get it from my beauty supply store for about 99 cents. So I'm gonna just speed this up right here. Feel me? Get into those basic nail pad things. I get them for Target. So now I'm gonna put the nail glue on my nails, my little ass hands, as y'all can see. And I love rings too, so if you're wondering where I got my rings from, I had them for years. You see me with rings on my hand? More than likely, I had them shits for years. And I just don't get rid of them. I got like a ring collection. That's another thing I don't really share with people, but I do love rings. And those little bracelets on my hand, if I understand. So anyway, I'm going off topic. The next nail that I'm going to go in with is the size 6. And like I said, it's because I have really small nail beds. The good thing is about these nails is like 500 of them come in. So you can't go wrong. Like, you got a lot to, wear and tear, trial and error type shit. That nail is a 5. And then the next nail, I'm using a number 6 too, because those fingers are just the same size, my index and my little, ring finger, whatever the hell. I'm going with 2. Like I said, my nail beds are small, so if you get these nails, you will realize that, damn, Joey got little nails, because that shit, feel me? So look at that, and you can see that I'm going to buffer, because honestly, I can't stand those ragged, rough, around the edges, tip of the nail type shit. It kills me. So me being the person that I am, you don't have to. I feel like I need a buffer, and I also round out the sides, like the little edges of the nails, so that I won't scratch nobody. I deal with my kids, so get into it or whatever. So yeah. So now I'm going to pick a nail color, and I'm going to go in with the mellow yellow looking thing. And that's Sinful Colors, which I love. It's $1.99. And this one is called YOLO Yellow. You know what I'm saying? You only got one. You only live once. Why not? And we're going to get started. Get that tropical music going. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you would like to see something like this again. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe.